Automatic loosening and rubbing machine arranges, moistens and rubs rice noodles in order, with a loosening efficiency of 99%. For manual rubbing, solving the problems of high workload, large number of workers and difficulty in recruiting workers. Intelligent drying system with automatic temperature. Solves the common quality problem of difficult control over crispy strips tea noodles. Automatic rice noodle cutting machine precisely controls length uniformity, cuts neatly and reduces broken noodles. Three-level weighing with precise weight compensation, ensuring uniform weight standards. It quantitatively feeds rice noodles into the packaging powder conveying trough for automatic sealing. The packaging speed is significantly improved and the appearance is elegant at home and abroad. It is the only automatic rice noodle portioning, weighing and packaging equipment that can adapt to the properties of rice noodles, filling the gap in this field.